Hey, what's up, man? Just wanted to change up the scenery, man. Today, real raw entrepreneurship. Today, we're going to be talking about a couple of things. My affiliate marketing journey, week number 4. But man, I'm going to say this, man. Affiliate marketing is not for the faint at heart. This is not something that's it seems easy, but it's not easy. You know what I'm saying? Don't quit your day job. That's what I'm going to say to you. Don't quit your day job. Build it up, because you're building for something. You know what I'm saying? I think one of my mentors shared with me, one of the major things is that you got to understand, expectations is everything. That this is a tortoise and hare race, and you're more of the tortoise than you are the hare, okay? So understand that going into it. So again, don't quit your day job. So next thing is that, for me personally, real raw entrepreneurship, emotions have been up and down, man. I've been having to find a new job, you know what I'm saying, to get back in, to learn, just in my old skill set. I'm a financial services graduate, and that's kind of my background. And so kind of wanting to get back into that industry to make some money, to take care of the needs of my family, to provide some stability, then continue to build this, you know what I'm saying, continue to build in my online presence. So there's no problem with progressing and taking a step back and then moving forward. It's all a part of the process, you know. I read this book by Marie Forleo, still reading it, but she talks about, as a perfectionist, what you have to really understand is that it's about progress and not perfection. So if you take some steps forward, you do a squiggly line, you go back, move forward, go up, go down. It's all a part of the process. It's not success is not a straight line, not a straight line up. You know what I'm saying? So that's one of the major things that I wanted to share there. Another point that I want to make, I came up, this week in regards to my limiting beliefs. What are my limiting beliefs? Why did I even start, all this? I'm going to tell you honestly why I started all this. Is because, number one, I feel called to ministry. I feel called to minister to fathers. And I told you guys that I'm setting up an organization called Shepherd Effect, equipping fathers to reflect a good shepherd. And so my limiting belief is that if I do set up a coaching business, a shepherding business, that my limiting belief is that it will not produce enough money in order to take care of the needs of my family. And so that's one of the limiting beliefs that I have in regards to that. And so that's something that I got to fight through and work through. And so that's why I'm seeking to do, affiliate marketing. So, but I think some changes are going to yet to come. I think, the Lord's just kind of stirred that up in my heart, that that's still there, that He still can provide, from that. And so if I'm not doing that, it just kind of, I'm kind of rocked. So I'm working on some things there to bring that more to light, bring that more to life, bring that, to still do that, because when I do that, I'm living, So that's why I originally left, my job in the past was to go and set up an organization that would solve a problem and minister to men, helping to shepherd over them, to teach them how to be good fathers over their home, to be priests, protectors, providers, and prophets over their home. And so, so I didn't, I don't desire to actually, go and reach out to people for, I just want to be self-sufficient. I don't want to reach out to people for donations, but if that's the route that the Lord wants me to go, I'll go that route. But now that I'm in this affiliate marketing game, I'm still going to do that, plug and play on that, still provide people value on how to set up 3 things: digital courses, digital products, digital online coaching, and then the third one is affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in any of those 3, click the link below. The first link that you see there on how to make a full-time income. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. I promise you that. Not a get-rich-quick. It's a growth. It's an educational platform to help you to accelerate in those 3 areas of setting up a digital product, of coaching and consulting, as well as lastly affiliate marketing, which I would begin with affiliate marketing, because in that you're going to have to learn how to market yourself. market and promote, and that's the number one thing in any business that you do. You got to market and promote. So that, so earn while you learn is what I would highly recommend. But with that said, man, they got a $7 less than a cup of coffee business builder challenge. That's 15 days, $7. You know, some of y'all spend that in some of y'all spend that very frequently, very quickly. So on a daily basis, very easy. So, man, why not do that? So if you're really interested in becoming a virtual business owner, go ahead and click on that. But hey, my name is Artiz Strouds. If you got any questions, I'm very approachable. You can follow me here, subscribe to my channel, and that's it, man. That's all I got to say. Real Raw Entrepreneurship, week number 4, and that's it. Thank you guys for tuning in. Peace. Be blessed.